Good morning. It's Saturday, the 24th of January, 2026. And it's 7:20 in the morning. The bike is on the lift, and I have, first of all, report on last night's leak test on the hydraulic lift. There's no indication of any lift leak whatsoever. I left it overnight with this weight pressing down on the brake pedal, going up to the chain, down to some weights. So there's pressure on the brake system overnight, and I see no evidence of any leakage anywhere. So we're going to call it oil tight, pressure tight. Good. All right, I'm going to take this off. I've got the plugs on the head. I'm going to spin the motor and see if I have spark. If I have spark, I'm going to put the gas tank on, build a gas line, and try to start it. First start. Let's see what happens. All right, let's. I can take this off. There we go. Put this over here. Those of you who've been watching for a while know that this is a tool for locking the front sprocket when you tighten the center bolt. It's an old fork tube and a section of chain. All right, over here I've got the plugs sitting out where I can see them. I'm going to turn on the ignition, give it a spin, see if we have spark. Oh yeah. Okay, so we have spark, so I'm going to go ahead and put the plugs back in, drop the tank on, and gas her up. Now I think I'll make some fuel lines and try to do a first start. Here we go. All right, it's Saturday the 24th. Bad dad joke of the day. Bad dad joke of the day. Did you hear about the spiders that got engaged? They met on the web. All right, that was kind of cute. All right, back to the bike. All right, so I built gas lines for the bike, and I have the oil pressure gauge tester, the oil pressure tester gauge up here, and I hook it to the center of the rocker shaft up here to pick up oil pressure. And the bike is, at this point in time, theoretically ready to run. So we're going to set up the, we're going to lower the bike, put a gallon of gas in it, and get some gas flow. And then give her a spin, see what happens. All right, here we go, first start. The throttle is sticky, it's no snap. I'll fix that afterwards. Oil pressure gauge is mounted over here to check for oil pressure. And let me move it up there where I can see it better. There you go. Both petcocks are on. It's a Mikuni, so I have the choke set. Let's see what happens. Let's get ready for any kind of emergency that we might run into. Paranoia is your friend. Let's put a fuse in the bike. I always pull the fuse when I'm messing with gas tanks. So let's put the fuse back in. Okay, fuse is in. Ignition's on. I don't need to kick it, I don't think. Let's see what happens. Crank's good. Okay. Let's do a little starter fluid in the throat. Hey, it's a runner. Let's try that again. That tells me we got ignition. Okay, we got a runner. All right, it's coming back. Let's turn that choke off and see what happens. That's worse. Choke back on as soon as I find it. Okay, we've got oil pressure, and we have oil return, and we have a runner. Okay. Okay, it's coming back. Ooh, that didn't. That was a noise from the primary. Sounded like the starter had engaged. It's a runner. Okay, it likes to choke on. I don't mind that. I can double check the pilot jet, but it's a runner. Okay, call it good for the moment.